right, so Allison has been watching this for hours now. We got more rain on the way. You know what? Can I apologize to the people? This is my fault. I got a car wash.
That's what did it.
I apologize. Yes, it's on me.
I actually did too, Lena. So
both of you,
yes.
Tearful apologies to the viewers.
Sorry about that one. Well, you got to wait for the weekend. Then it's going to be a good time as drier air is going to be moving in, meaning less rain chances. But hey, over the next few days, we're going to be looking at the potential for a lot of rain in a short amount of time. Really, today, tomorrow is when we have the highest chances, becoming a bit more isolated on Friday, and then that trend continues through the weekend. Now, I do want to mention that any rain that does fall today could be bringing a lot in a short amount of time. That's why the Weather Prediction Center does have our viewing area in a 2 out of 4 risk for excessive rainfall, or basically meaning the potential for isolated street flooding. Right now, not much happening across a good chunk of the viewing area, but as I take you down closer to Matagorda Bay, we're talking Port Lavaca out to Seadrift and Point South. First off, just take a look at the sheer amount of lightning that we're monitoring, but actually moments ago, the National Weather Service saying, hey, this is creating a lot of rain, so there is going to be that street flooding potential. Now, we have rain coming from 2 areas. That cell that I just showed you off to the south, but take a look out west in San Antonio. There have been a few severe thunderstorm warnings over the last several hours. Both of these clusters of showers and storms making its way towards southeast Texas. That's why we're looking at the potential for some stronger storms to develop by about midday. So I want to show you our high resolution modeling. This model has been really good over the last few days, talking about the timing, and we get updates hourly with this model, so they might look different if you come back and watch us at 7 compared to 9, but I just want to let you know this is the latest. Houston likely going to be staying dry through 9 a.m., but take a look at some of that rain beginning to move in. The heaviest rain likely down toward Lake Jackson and then moving toward Galveston Island by 11:30. And then we'll start to see thunderstorm development. This is going to be that cluster of storms that we're monitoring out towards San Antonio right now. And that's going to continue into your 2-3 o'clock hour. But with this latest model run, it actually does show a bit of drying. So a lot of that rain kicking out to the east by the commute home. So that would be good and create less of a mess for folks as you're driving back from work or, picking their kiddos up from a sporting activity. But then take a look at what we're seeing out to our north and west. Bryan, College Station by 11 o'clock, maybe a few more thunderstorms. I will say it looks like a lot of that going to fizzle out, but we're still looking at the potential for a few of those showers into the overnight hours. And then guess what? Rinse and repeat as we head into your Thursday, and just a 20% chance for showers by this weekend.